Hey, if you want to take the high quality photos on your POCO X6 Pro, for sure you can do this. But first you'll have to open the camera, go into the more modes and open the 64 megapixel mode. Now we have to also remember about the good lighting condition. That's essential for taking good photos. If you don't have good lighting condition, you can try to use the flashlight. So we can activate by going from here. You can turn on the automatic flashlight, the normal flashlight, or always on, so you can decide. In my case, the lighting conditions are good. And now I have to grab the phone like this, hold it steady, and then I have to click on the shutter while taking, click on the shutter and hold it steady while taking the photo. And now when you open this photo, you can actually find some details. As you can see now, when we double tap, we can open the HD preview. So as you can see, we can find a lot of details. For example, when I zoom in, as you can see, I can find this structure of this paint that was used to draw something on this Lego Dumbledore. So the quality on this phone is really nice. The camera is really good. I was actually focusing on the head, so below it that doesn't look like that good, that sharp, but right here we can find really good details on this smartphone. So yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.